Hello, I wanted to show you how to use Snap and Read to listen to your articles on Newsela. So the first thing we're going to do when we get into our article is go up to the top where you would search on the internet and look for an icon that looks like a target that is called Snap and Read. Click on the target and then toggle it on to make the toolbar appear. And then on the right-hand side, you will see a black toolbar. I'm going to scroll down where I see some words. And then that first tool is called the Speak tool. It looks like a speaker. You will click on the speaker and it will turn blue, which means it's ready to read. Click on the text. And then you can click anywhere on the screen to make it stop reading. As long as this icon is blue, it's turned on, so you can keep clicking to make it read and stop it wherever you'd like. When you're done and you don't want it to read anymore, every time you click, go back to the toolbar and click on the Speak tool again, and it will turn back to white, which turns it off. What I noticed while I was reading is that it was a little fast. So I'm going to go back to my target icon and click on Options. It has a little gear next to it. And then I'm going to look for the word Speed. It has a slide bar, so I'm going to slide to the left slower, a little bit slower, and then X out of that tab. I'm also going to refresh my page just to make sure that it makes the adjustment for the speed. And then you will see that the Snap and Read toolbar should come up again. We just have to be patient and let it load. So I'm going to try it out to see if it reads a little bit slower now. And that sounds better for me. I can also use Snap and Read to listen to the questions and the answers on our quiz. So I'm going to click on that quiz tab, click on the speaker again, and click right where I want it to read. So that is how you can use Snap and Read to read your Newsela articles and questions.